बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 4 अगस्त 2024 के अखबार में। फ़ज़ाइया स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एज प्रिंसिपल फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अ हाईली रेप्यूटेड फ़ज़ाइया कॉलेज एट PAF एयरमैन अकेडमी Korangi Creek. Applications are invited from energetic, competent and well qualified candidates who are seeking career under an inspiring work environment. Eligibility male/female, medically fit with age not more than 57 years. Candidates should be well acquainted with communication, administrative and management skills. Qualification MA/MSc or equivalent in any subject with minimum 15 years teaching and administration experience at intermediate or degree college level. Ineligibility: the candidate terminated/dismissed prematurely from any post at any government or non-governmental institution. Those terminated from any Fazaiya institution due to any allegation/discipline issue. The candidate with history of any moral turpitude, financial embezzlement or criminal offences. The applicants are to produce NOC of the previous institution in this regard. Pay/perks: selected candidate will be offered attractive pay package. Note, it's a contract based employment initially for a period of 2 years and after that renewable annually based on performance. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. TA/TA will not be admissible for the interview. Concealment of any fact or information may lead to strict disciplinary action even after the selection. Reputation of finally selected candidates will be confirmed from his/her previous workplace. Send your applications addressed to chairman managing committee along with resume and attested copies of testimonials at the address given below, latest by 12th August 2024. Applications received after the due date will not be considered. Email akshit03@gmail.com, akshit03@gmail.com. Postal address: Fazaiya Inter College, PAF Airman Academy, Korangi Creek. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 0307049871, 0307049871 और 032099000295, 032099000295। SSGC सुई सदन गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. Sui Southern Gas Company Limited, a leading public sector utility company in Pakistan, is looking to fill the following specialized positions with qualified, experienced and dynamic professional who can add value to the organization's progress. Serial number 1 position, minimum qualification and experience, corporate communication department position. Number 1, Deputy Chief Manager, Media Relations, job code 8360-01. MBA ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मेजर्स इन मार्केटिंग वुड बी प्रिफर्ड ब्रैकेट क्लोज विथ मिनिमम 6 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन अ लीडरशिप रोल इन मीडिया रिलेशंस और मास्टर इन मास कम्युनिकेशन विथ मिनिमम 11 years ऑफ रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस. Candidate must possess good contacts in print and electronic media along with content development and PR management skills. Number 2, Deputy Chief Manager, Accounts and Operational Support, job code 8361-01. MBA Finance/ACCA from a recognized higher education Commission HEC university with at least 06 years of experience, or ACMA with at least 4 years of post qualification experience. Number 3, manager advertisement and event management, job code 8362-01 MBA, majors in marketing with at least 4 years of experience, or masters in mass communication with minimum 8 years of experience in developing advertising strategies, handling advertising agencies and relevant vendors, must possess experience in event management. चौथी जॉब है मैनेजर मीडिया रिलेशंस, जॉब कोड 8363-01 MBA, majors in marketing with at least 4 years of experience, or masters in mass communication/masters in administrative sciences with minimum 8 years of experience in people management/dealing, having contact with media persons and relevant experience of the field. 5, manager digital media, job code 8364-01 minimum MBA, majors in marketing would be preferred with at least 4 years of experience, or masters in mass communication with minimum 8 years of relevant experience. 6, assistant manager graphic designer, job code 8365-01 bachelor/master, 16 years of education with at least 2 years of experience, must possess keen eye for creating unique designs, layouts and artworks for the branding and image building of the company, should have expertise in using Adobe video editing software and other designing tools. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/career/for details/ job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. अच्छा जी, ये ज़रूरी तरक्याती बैंक लिमिटेड की जॉब्स हैं. करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ZTBL, a AAA rated renowned specialized financial institution. ये तो आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, मैं जॉब्स बता देती हूँ. सीनियर डेटा एनालिस्ट/डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ABP, नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 8 years, पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस क्वालिफिकेशन ग्रेजुएट/पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री इन द फील्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस और रिलेटेड फील्ड ड्यूली रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी बाय HEC. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी. अच्छा, इसके बाद फिर डेटा एनालिस्ट/डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर OG1, नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 5 years, पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस क्वालिफिकेशन ग्रेजुएट/पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री इन द फील्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस और रिलेटेड फील्ड ड्यूली रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी बाय HEC. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. ये जो आप मार्क का निशान देख रहे हैं ना, ये इस वजह से है कि मैं इस वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड कर चुकी थी, मगर फिर पता नहीं क्या हुआ कि डिलीट हो गई मेरे मोबाइल से, मुझे पता नहीं कैसे, तो इस वजह से ये आप लोगों को निशान नज़र आ रहा है. अच्छा जी, तीसरी जॉब है इस्लामिक शरिया ऑडिटर OG1, नंबर ऑफ पोजीशंस 2, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 5 years, पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस क्वालिफिकेशन MSc/MS इस्लामिक बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस/MBA/MCom एजुकेशन इस्लामिक बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस सर्टिफिकेशन/क्वालिफिकेशन इज़ एन एडिड एडवांटेज such as CSAA/CIPA/MIFP etc. Job responsibilities: assist in preparation of risk-based annual Sharia audit plan, approved policies, Any other task assigned by CIA/Head Sharia audit. Internal audit quality assurance analyst OG1/AVP. Number of positions 3. Experience minimum 5 years. Post qualification experience. Qualification CA Inter, ACCA, ACMA, MBA, Finance/MCom, CIA certified. Internal auditor will be given preference. Proficient in business and analytics tools. Experience of chartered accountancy firms or financial institutions in management audit function will be an additive plus. जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट्स देख लें. बोर्ड प्रिपेयरिंग रिपोर्ट्स ऑन इंटरनल ऑडिट एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर बोर्ड ऑडिट कमेटी BSc. ठीक है जी, ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. Investigator/inquiry officer OG1. Number of positions 5. Experience minimum 5 years. Post qualification experience. Qualification ACCA/CA finalist/ACMA/MCom certified fraud examiner CFE or equivalent relevant degree duly recognized by HC. Preference will be given to candidates having hands-on experience for conducting fraud inquiries/investigations with banking/financial institutions/insurance revenue record in depth understanding, having excellent verbal investigations and written communication skills, sound ethics, excellent command on MS Office and analytical tools. Besides soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, interviewing, conflict management, etc. Active experience of financial institutions in audit/fraud/investigation functions. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ जनाब ये रही. ठीक है जी. अच्छा, एक और पोस्ट है सीनियर ऑडिटर/टीम लीड AVP. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशंस 13. ऑडिट जोन इस्लामाबाद, बहावलपुर, कराची, लाहौर, पेशावर, कोयटा, सक्खर एंड फैसलाबाद. Experience minimum 8 years. Post qualification experience. Qualification ACMA/CA, CFAP/ACCA member/MBA/MCom or equivalent. Relevant degree from HC recognized university. Preference will be given to candidates having proficiency in auditing skills. Worked with chartered accountancy firms or financial institutions in management/branch audit function. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ये हैं, इसका आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. ठीक है जी. एक और वो है ऑडिटर/टीम मेंबर OG1. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशंस 9. ऑडिट जोन इस्लामाबाद, बहावलपुर, कराची, लाहौर, पेशावर, कोयटा, सक्खर एंड फैसलाबाद. एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 5 years. Post qualification experience. Qualification ACMA/CA, CFAP/ACCA member/MBA/MCom or equivalent. Relevant degree from HC recognized university. Preference will be given to candidates having proficiency in auditing skills. Worked with chartered accountancy firms or financial institutions in management/branch audit function. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. अच्छा जी, एक और पोस्ट है कमर्शियल ऑडिटर OG1. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1. एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम ऑफ 5 years ऑफ ऑडिटिंग एक्सपीरियंस प्रेफरेबली in a public or financial institution. Qualification CA Inter, ACMA/ACCA/MBA Finance/MCom or equivalent. Relevant degree from HC recognized university. Preference will be given to candidates having proficiency in auditing skills. Worked with chartered accountancy firms or financial institutions in management/branch audit function in banking sector or experienced in handling commercial audit matters. The position requires leadership qualities, strong analytical skills and extensive knowledge of principles, procedures and techniques of auditing. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. अच्छा जी, एक और पोस्ट है लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट Financial analyst AVP, number of position 1. Experience minimum 8 years. Post qualification professional experience preferably in the field of internal audit and internal control. Qualification ACMA/CA finalist/ACCA or equivalent relevant degree from HEC recognized university. Preference will be given to candidates having proficiency in analytical analysis skills, worked with chartered accountancy firms or financial institutions in management audit function. Job responsibilities: analysis business and financial data, creates financial modes to support organizational decision मेकिंग. ये आप लोग जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं. ठीक है जी. ये भी हैं जनाब जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. ठीक है जी, आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. ये आ जाते हैं अब असल मुद्दे पर. एलिजिबिलिटी/इन एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. Interested candidates may apply online through website https://www.ztbl.com.pk/jobs till 18th August 2024. Applications received after due date will not be considered. Maximum age limit for AVP 40 years and for OG1 35 years as on closing date. To apply, dual nationality holders are not eligible to apply for the post. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/TA shall be admissible for interviews. We offer competitive remuneration package geared towards attracting best talent in the market. We are an equal opportunity employer. For any related query, please contact head ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ रिक्रूटमेंट एंड अपॉइंटमेंट ZTBL हेड ऑफिस इस्लामाबाद at 0519252724 0519252724. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.